Good morning, fifth graders. It's Monday, October 26th, 2020. Your daily distance learning tasks for today. 1, take attendance on Google Classroom. 2, the Halloween school debate that we started last Friday in class. We had about 7 of you complete your Flipgrid post. If you haven't done your initial Flipgrid post, please make that telling us why or why not we should celebrate Halloween in school. If you have completed yours, you're going to go on to somebody else's that was not in your group, that is on the other side of you, and you're going to listen to theirs and then reply to theirs, make a video reply to theirs telling why you disagree with their arguments in a respectful way. 3, class kick, math lesson 2.10, page 4, you're going to continue to practice partial quotients division. There are 2 videos on there that'll help you out if you need to watch them to remember how to do it. 4, earthquake terror. At the end of Friday, we listened to earthquake terror and we started drawing a setting map. We want you to finish your setting map on a piece of paper, draw it out with good detail, color the map, and then take a picture and post it on page 7 of the earthquake terror class kick. Number 3, my numbers are off here. Number 5, Unit 2 IXL skills, working on multiplication, C1, C14, C19, and then division, D3, D14, D15. Do your independent reading as well and your kids' news, and please respond to those. Today there's no read out loud because we're going to finish the Watsons Go to Birmingham with group 1 because they got cut off with internet issues the other day. And then we'll have our live check-in and number talk at 2:45. Here's a quick preview of that Ready, Set, Debate Halloween on Flipgrid. So if you go there, you can see we have about 7 responses. If you haven't done yours, make sure to do yours using that graphic organizer we filled out on Friday. And then listen to someone on the other side, respond to them respectfully, and tell why you disagree with their arguments. Here is the math lesson 2.10, page 4. That you need to complete. There's a few division problems on here we want you to do. If you need help, please check out the videos that we put on here so you can make sure to do yours correctly. Please show your work on all parts of these problems. And when you complete them, raise the green hand on class kick so we know you're done. Hey, 5th graders, here's the setting map for earthquake terror. It's on page 7 of earthquake terror. Please check this out. Make sure you do a really good detailed picture with color for yours and then post a picture on this page. Take a picture of yours and put it on this page and raise the green hand when you're done. Finally, a couple other things. Your Unit 2 IXL skills. Trying to get these on so you can get on the IXL Hall of Fame. 5th grade C1, C14, C19 for multiplication. And then you can start your division. 5th grade D3, D14, D15, trying to get 90 or above as your score. And then wrapping it up, independent reading and kids' news today. Please check those out on Google Classroom and give us some responses once you're done. Make it a great day. If you have any questions, please send us a message on Remind. Otherwise, we'll see you guys later. Please join us at 2:45 for our number talk.